Welcome. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to copy a wallet address here on Metamask, and then in the next video I'm just going to be showing you how to deposit some money into your Metamask. Here I've made some videos. I've compiled a lot of videos concerning some tutorials that might be helpful on Metamask, which I'm going to be dropping right at the video description. So do your best to go through those tutorials and watch more about how to use this wallet. Okay, so if you're new to this channel, kindly ensure you subscribe and turn on the notifications so that whenever I'm dropping the next video, you're always going to be notified on time. So without further ado, let's get started. So if you look at if you look here in this wallet, this Metamask wallet, you see that there's a whole lot of integrations that have just been added, and there's a whole lot of upgrade that has been made here on Metamask. So in case you're using the old version of Metamask, or your Metamask is not even showing like this, the way it is showing right here on my screen, you have to do your best to go and update your Metamask to the latest version. Okay, you can go to your Apple Store, update it, or even go to your Play Store and update it. Then after updating it, you are going to see this interface. Okay, here you can see there is a section for perpetuals. There is also a section for NFTs and DeFi's now, where you can trade all of that right here in the wallet. That is the beauty of this Metamask. Okay, so here so now for you to be able to copy your wallet address right here on Metamask, I'm going to be showing you the two ways you can do that easily. Okay, so the first way you can do that easily is to locate this section, is to go ahead and copy from this section right here. In case your tokens are right here, let's say for instance you are in the Ethereum mainnet. Remember that there are a whole lot of mainnets right here on Metamask. Some can be imported manually or automatically. So in case you are on the Ethereum mainnet, which is showing right here the way it is, whenever you see this showing right here, it means you are on the Ethereum mainnet. Okay, so under the Ethereum mainnet, these are all the various tokens that I've imported in the past. Okay, so in case you want to import, let's say Theta USDT under the Ethereum mainnet, you have to navigate to that Theta and click on it. So as soon as you click on it, you just allow it to load, and remember that while you're doing this, ensure your network is very, very stable. Okay, so here is the wallet. Here is the Theta wallet. You can see it right here. So for you to locate your wallet address, you have to click right here. Okay, you click right there, or if you don't, or sorry, you have to go back and click on where you have the receive. You click on where you have this receive right here. Okay, you tap on it. So as soon as you tap on it, you can see this. Address right here. This is your wallet address. This is the wallet address under the Ethereum network that you are gonna be copying. So this is how to copy it. So you are just gonna tap on this little sign right here to copy it. Okay, so you tap on it. Now you can see it has copied. So I have successfully copied this address. Okay, so that is how to copy your wallet address. Now let me show you another way on how to copy your wallet address. Remember I told you that this is the mainnet. Now in Metamask, you have to understand that if you want to copy any wallet address, you have to first of all go and know the mainnet on which you are copying from. Okay, you have to go and locate the mainnet, and the easiest way to locate your mainnet is to click right here. Okay, well, once you click right there, these are all the various mainnets under Metamask. These are all the various mainnets under the Metamask network. So you have to know the one that you want to copy the address from. In case you want to copy, let's say Polygon, in case you want to copy the wallet address on Polygon, you just have to click here and toggle it onto the Polygon mainnet. Okay, then whenever you toggle it onto the Polygon mainnet, all the tokens that you've imported that are built on the Polygon mainnet are just gonna be reflecting right here the way it was, the way it's reflected in the Metamask in the Ethereum mainnet section. Okay, it's just gonna show up like that. Okay, So it is showing up like this because my network just switched off. You have to ensure that whenever you are doing this, your network is very, very stable. Okay, so this is Matic. In case I want to copy the Matic address, I'll just click on right here. I'll tap on it, tap on that Matic. As soon as you tap on that Matic, you just scroll up a little bit and go tap on where you see that receive button right there. Okay, you tap on this receive button right there, and as soon as you tap on that receive button, it's going to load up this. Here is the wallet address. Go over here and copy it. Okay, as soon as you tap on it, it is fully copied. All right, so that is the first way on how to copy any wallet address right here on Metamask. I hope this video was very helpful. Now look at the second way on how you can copy it. Whenever I want to copy any wallet address, just tap on this section. You click on it. Then as soon as you click on it, you select the account that you want to. In case you have already 2 accounts here on Metamask, Metamask now can accumulate even Solana accounts. All right, so in case you want to copy any account on any tokens under the Solana network, you have to toggle this on. It will take you to the Solana section. Okay, but here I'll be working with just one wallet. Remember I said I can import 2 wallets. There are 2 wallets that I've imported right here. Okay, so I'll be working with this. So I'll click on this first wallet, and as soon as you click on this first wallet, it's going to take you back to this section. It's going to take you back to this section, okay, where you can go and select the mainnet of the coin you want to choose, you want to copy. So you can see that it has taken us back to all these coins. Okay, so all these coins you see here are the mainnet, wallet. So therefore that means that any wallet or any coin that is imported under any of these mainnet is going to reflect right in the Metamask. Okay, so let's say for example I want to toggle on OP once again. I'll toggle it on, and you can see here now that it has toggled onto OP, and these are all the tokens that I've imported in the past that are under the OP mainnet. Okay, so I hope this video was very, very helpful. If it was, kindly drop a comment at the comment section. If you have any other question, let me know right still at the comment section. We'll see you in the next video.